Hey, what's up, guys? Basically, me and my buddy who just got off just found the most, pretty much, best natural spawner in Minecraft, I'd say. There's 7, as you can see. One sec. I'm lagging really bad right now, I don't know why. But there it is. Every single spawner works. We're gonna make the killing chamber right around here. And I'm probably not gonna upload this video until we actually get raided because there's no way this isn't gonna be like insane. We have a regular spider spawner right now. Oh, is it not a chunk not loading? We have a regular spider spawner right now. It's a triple, and it is pretty efficient. I'd say it's as efficient as a double lethal blaze. So something like this is pretty much the. I'll take videos of us actually using it. I'm gonna upload this after we're rated. So yeah. Two. So guys, basically this is the spawner in action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. 4, 5, 6, 7. I told him I was making a video, but whatever. Very efficient. Probably one of the most efficient in Minecraft or MC teams. So let's go kill. Now I gotta try to find out how to turn up my gamma because I'm sick of buying torches. And that was literally just like less than 10 seconds of like 10 seconds of AFK right there, so you get to see how efficient it is. Great spawner. Me and my teammate made this. So just kill one more time and then I'll end the video. Alright, see you guys.